Bent. Don't know what my future is, but I can't. Living in.
Yeah, it's 100% humidity out here.
Yeah. And it's been that way for days, actually weeks.
I'm just glad it hasn't been like... Ooh, there was almost an accident right there.
Oh my gosh. What did you do? Oh my god! I almost banged him. Did you see that?
You know you're not supposed to pull over in front of people like that, right? People do it all dang day, and what does it get? It saves you maybe 2 seconds if you can fit in. You pull in, you cut people off. You understand that was your fault, right? Yes. Okay. Well, right now you can report the accident to your insurance. Okay. Give them all the facts. Feel free to take a picture of my license plate, the damage up to my bumper right there. Okay. That's what I would do. Cover both vehicles. I already took pictures of both vehicles. Okay. So, and then just, I'm gonna let my insurance go out and go to your insurance. Okay. So. That's it. I mean, just watch where you're going, man.
I know. I apologize.
Okay.
I'm so sorry for your trial. I will be better for
just watch where you're going. I saw your turn signal, but it was too late.
I understand.
So I was dealing with him in the back seat.
I understand.
I already was in that lane for the last mile.
You were, and that was my fault.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
just seems so much easier those last 2 days of the week. I never liked the reference of hump day for Wednesday in English because it makes me... The speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
The video is locked.
You need to flood the area with aid, and you need to have it decentralized at lots of different places, and you need to have it near where people are, so that it's as convenient as possible, and you have as short a lines as possible, because you don't want hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands, definitely not hundreds of thousands of people who are haven't eaten.
Please do not do something crazy.
For long stretch, haven't even had a good meal probably in 20 months. You don't want them all congregating around this one particular area. But the GHF is not designed to efficiently distribute humanitarian aid. Its design is explicitly for depopulating northern Gaza. Like, Netanyahu has said out loud that the goal of this organization is to entice Palestinians into the south of Gaza. And they set up, you saw that, hold people back. People had to walk 10, 15 kilometers to get to this place as well, which immediately means who are you going to get? Like, the people who are in the best possible shape. Not great shape, but the best possible shape. If you're desperately malnourished, you can't walk 15 kilometers through the sun to get to this place. And so then the desperate people broke through the fence. Apache, as you saw in the video there, Apache helicopters start firing in the crowd. Nobody was killed, thankfully, but it was a complete catastrophe. Then, what people got were these little boxes that had flour, dried pasta, and some dried beans. Now, think about that. What? It's better than having nothing in your hands. To take that to something edible, like water and an energy source, which are also extremely hard to come by deliberately. So,
any part of this.
A humanitarian aid organization was saying this is deeply inappropriate. Like, this is not the thing you would give to malnourished people. First of all, it's not the kind of nourishment that you need. Like, there are very particular types of food packages that you could give to people who haven't had a decent meal for 2 months and that need to recover their health a little bit. Pasta, beans, rice, like that's not it.